really great to have Abraham, the DJ, with us today. Look at the beautiful bridge. Yesterday we were just still having fun with his party and organizing this whole event. Abraham, can you say a few things about yourself first to start?
Yes. So my name is Abraham. I'm from Spain, and yesterday I was DJ one for one night.
Oh yeah.
And other people know me on Twitter as Forum Harmony.
Yeah.
And I work too for the French and Spanish speaking community on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and I don't stop.
Yeah. It was just a really wonderful party. Even my wife said the mask and the vibe, you really have it right. I know you guys scout for a whole month to really have this amazing conference. I would say our first one to have so many guests, but also so many people coming to speak with us. Really congratulations. How did you get started with Blockchain and Harmony?
I started, yes. So I started 1 year ago on Harmony. I was looking a lot of blockchain, a lot of projects, and for me the best was Harmony. So I started as an investor, and little bit after, a few months after, I started to be involved in the community Harmony.
Yeah,
Yes.
well, thank you. Well, the fact that now you are so closely tied with the community, engaging, but also fully understanding what Spanish style, maybe even a French style, but most of all, like you really put a great event together. What do you think? That DAO for regional, but also DAO for community and events that Harmony can think about how to really take it to, I don't know, hundreds of them that in coming year.
Yes, with the Spanish DAO first, is good for the people that don't speak English, because there is a lot of country speaking Spanish, but not all the people speak English. Example me.
Yeah.
I learn the English every day with Harmony.
Oh, really?
So first for this, and after there is a lot of countries, Spanish speaking countries in South America, Spain. So if we can organize events, if we can translate Harmony content into Spanish, can be great for Harmony.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really not the fact that you don't speak English. It's us don't speak Spanish, don't have Spanish content, right? And it's not just about the translation. The fact that you host event, you engage in the community is much, much more important for us to think about. So what do you wish Harmony, if not the whole blockchain, would do in the next few months that you want to organize the event about?
With the DAO, I want first, when we start, we need to create a lot of content into Spanish, because I'm speaking all the day with people, and I lose much time translating, explaining. So first we need that, and after, when we will have content, we can promote doing conference in Spanish, doing event, videos, everything. But first, for me, is the content. Without the content, we can do. Yes, we can do, but for me, it's better to do everything, starting slowly and do something great, than do only 50% of the work. So,
well, we all see the open.harmony.1, right? Really about open development with all the content for people to ask and engage and learn. Let's not just think about even Spanish, what about French, right? It's amazing that you speak both natively. So today is really great to have you, Abraham. Thank you for hosting us. Really, thank you again. Yeah.